Hello everyone, so in this video, we're going to be comparing AutoDS versus Zendrop. Now if you don't know what these two are, AutoDS is an all-in-one dropshipping automation tool that supports product importing, order fulfillment, price stock monitoring, and multiple suppliers. So let's head on over to Zendrop. So Zendrop is a US-based dropshipping platform focused on fast shipping, branded packaging, and a simple product sourcing experience for beginners. Now let's go over their pros and cons, starting with AutoDS here. So AutoDS supports many suppliers like AliExpress, Amazon, Walmart, and etc. It has full automation like orders, tracking, pricing, and updates. It also has product search tools and multiple store integrations. Now the cons of it is that it has a slight learning curve since it's kind of difficult to set up at first if you're a beginner. It also has some features locked behind paywalls or like higher plans, and you will need to pay a premium for those features, obviously. And the UI can be overwhelming, especially if you're just new. Now let's head on over to Zendrop. So the pros of Zendrop is that it has a fast US shipping on many products. It is easy to use for beginners. And branding options. It has branding options like custom packaging. And it has a helpful customer support. Now, the cons of it is that it has a smaller product catalog and fewer supplier options, and some automations also are locked behind a paywall. Now, which one is right for you? So you should choose AutoDS for flexibility, supplier variety, and full automation. And you should choose Zendrop for beginner-friendly use, fast shipping if you're in the US, and brand building. And yeah, that is it. That is the difference between AutoDS and Zendrop. So if you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.